Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Linux Temple. And few days earlier I made a video on how to enable -to-dock extension so that we can have a Mac OS style dock on Ubuntu. You can find its link in the description also. And after enabling -to-dock extension, probably you would have noticed that whenever we go to menu or in the activities, there you can see two different docks in the same side overlapped with each other or in the different side. And this looks quite annoying. So here I'm going to fix this problem. So please follow the tutorial. So here you can see the dock at the bottom, the Mac OS style dock, and I got this by enabling -to-dock extension. There you can see -to-dock, and as I open the menu, there you can see two different docks, one at the left side of the screen and other at the bottom, and both of these at the same time, and this doesn't look good. So in order to remove the dock, which we can see on the left side, for this you need to go to the terminal, and then you have to type the command. I'm just simply going to paste it: sudo apt purge gnome-shell-extension-ubuntu-dock, and there's hyphen in between, and I'll leave the command in the description also. Enter your password, enter, press Y, enter. So now the dock is removed, and to see the effect you need to log out and log in again, because you can still see the same dock, it's still visible there. So for this you need to log out, and as you log in again, so if you open the menu, you can see the dock has been removed. So guys, in this way we can fix this problem related to -to-dock extension, and I hope you find this video useful, and if so, please like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more Linux tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.